Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to attack a friend in Monopoly Go. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open the game. Just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. To attack a friend, firstly you will need to keep a thing in your mind. In order to get as much as you possibly can from your friend's town, you will need to have decent amount of multiplier. So the multiplier that I am talking about is right over here. This is the multiplier, as you can see. The more multiplier you will have, the more amount you will get. Now, in order to attack on your friend's town, all you have to do is just simply land on a railroad. As you can see, this is right over here, a railroad. Now, in order to land on a railroad, all you have to do is just simply roll. So, let's quickly stop on a railroad. Now, it's also necessary that you stop on a bank heist in a railroad. So, let's do that. Now, it's necessary that you land on a railroad and you get shut down. Because there are two types of things that you can get on a railroad: bank heist and shutdown. So to attack a friend deliberately, you will need to land on shutdown. So let's do that. Now once you are on a shutdown, all you do is just simply click on the switch opponent at the bottom. Then just simply look for the friend that you want to attack. Now in order to find the friend, you can just simply come to the friend tab at the top right over here. You can also take revenge from a random player that might have attacked you, or as you know, you can attack your friend. When you see your friend, click on go in front of them. Now you will be able to attack their particular town. Now all you have to do is just simply choose their town and attack. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.